Alright, everyone. So I wanted to give you guys a quick warning here to be very, very careful currently investing into the stock market. The market is very volatile at the moment. This week we had a lot of earnings. As a matter of fact, this week 457 companies reported earnings in the United States. So this was quite a volatile week, as we saw many stocks rising a lot and a lot of stocks plummeting a lot. I have one example here for you guys. Las Vegas Sands, if we take this as an example, this stock just terribly missed their earnings. And after market, after hours, this stock was down nearly 10%, all the way to nearly $40. And on the next day at market open, this stock is up 1.7% after an awful earnings miss. So be very, very careful selling cash secured puts on these tickers at the moment. If we look here at the fear and greed index, we also see that the market is quite fearful. I assume this is going to drop all the way to extreme fear in the near future. I think we are heading into a market correction, but we have to see it very detailed and look at it stock by stock, because every ticker behaves different. If we look at Google, Google just had a great earnings report, but if we look at Google here, it is currently dropping after this earnings report, and I believe that Google is going to come down all the way to $170 before it is going to rise again. And a lot of these tickers are still close to all-time highs, like Nvidia. Right here, if we look at Nvidia, it is still very close to all-time highs. So this is not in the buying zone for me at the moment, even though it has dropped. The stock price already came down a little bit, but there is many tickers that are quite more interesting because they are already down 20 to 30% on the year and down 50% or more from all-time highs. A good example here would be Oracle. So if we look at Oracle, we can see that the stock just came down massively. If we look right here on Oracle, we can see that the stock came down all the way from $250 to $120 in a matter of 1 month. So this stock is down big time, and I prefer to focus on heavily discounted tickers that are already heavily discounted, and we are going to sell a cash secured put even below that level to really catch it at the bottom and also have another buffer on it with our collected premium, because I believe that this is a great time to buy great quality names who are going to rise in the future. But it is so important, especially during these volatile weeks, to really focus on a company's fundamentals. What is their current PE ratio? Are they heavily discounted? What is their free cash flow? What is their business model? These questions are more interesting and they are fundamentally important at the moment than always trying to react to the market movements at the moment, because such a volatile week, you cannot predict it and you cannot outsmart the stock market during such weeks. So it is very important to invest into the right quality tickers right now, because there is massive potential. And you have to be very brave to do so at the moment, to buy a stock that is currently dropping. But this is the right time to go in and purchase this stock, and don't buy some Nvidia or different stock when it is close to all-time highs, all right? So if you want to make a safe passive income selling cash secured puts on such high quality tickers, then click the link in my bio and join my community, the Premium Cycle. I have a full course there for you guys, so you can understand everything step by step. And I'm also sharing my live trades with you guys in my community, so you can benefit from that as well. So click the link in my bio and I will see you guys there.